Those wallet balances? Yeah, I know. They're looking crazy. Wondering how to scoop even a little piece for yourself? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the full process of pulling off a clean rug and leaving the game with serious profit. We're seconds away from the full method, but I need to say this first. Going with Pump Fun is basically handing away your potential profits. Let's do this the legit way and aim for something way bigger than scraps. Head into Photon, click on the Pump Fun Dex filter, and you'll instantly see a stream of meme coins launching like crazy. A giant amount of stupid and worthless coins keeps showing up constantly, but don't stick around. It's all because Pump Fun is overloaded. Anyone can spin up a token in seconds. Switch to Radium now and see the difference. Hardly any coins are being launched. Just compare the number of coins created here to the number created on Pump Fun. Yeah, night and day difference. But the demand here, it's through the roof. Look at those market cap numbers. They're off the charts next to Pump Fun. The reason why? Radium takes real coding to deploy, so low effort stuff doesn't make it. That's why we're using Radium. Now let's break it down. I ran into Launchtool not long ago, and seriously, it's a hidden weapon in this space. It's wild. It lets you put a coin on Radium with no coding at all, which makes it ideal for beginners. Just click through, and you're ready. For the past month, this thing's been pumping out cash like it's enchanted or something. I've gone ahead and picked a logo from Google already. As expected, I'm sticking with the trending funny theme, as it never failed me. To find it yourself, just surf around social media until you find something that is eye-catching and that people will like, as well as you. Fire up Canva, create a new design, and set it to 128 by 128 pixels. Clean up any tiny imperfections like I'm doing here, and save it. Quick, clean, and buttery smooth. Alright, now it's time to visit Launchtool. Plug in all the details for your meme coin. I've picked Cooked Men as the name and Cooked for the symbol. You can write a fun little description to match. I'm putting, "This gorilla wipes coins harder than it wiped those men." Choose the logo you already designed, then go ahead and click Next. The next page brings you to tokenomics. No changes needed, they've got it spot on. And yes, we'll need that full 1 billion token supply a bit later. Click Next again to move forward. We're at the Modify Creator Information screen now, but changing anything here costs 0.1 Sol. Personally, I don't think it's worth spending on that, so I'm disabling the option and skipping it. Now it gives you space to add socials. Honestly, I never use that part. Totally optional. So let's skip again. Now we're stepping into a super important part of the setup. Important tip: don't touch these revoke options unless you know what you're doing. Wondering why it matters? Simple. Revoke freeze off means you can lock up trading whenever. With revoke mint off, you can mint tokens endlessly. Revoke update gives full control over changing token details. Any smart buyer will check these settings, and if they see even one of them turned off, your project's credibility is toast, and so are your buy orders. Just press Launch My Token and let it roll. Your wallet will appear in a second. Hit confirm like usual. Easy as that, right? Now you can go through all the coin's details. I'm pulling it up on SolScan to be sure. And yes, it's officially live on the blockchain. But wait, it's not trade ready just yet. There's one more step to go. Jump back into Launchtool and press the Create Liquidity Pool button. That'll instantly open up Radium. Step 1. Connect your wallet up here. Then we need to pick your meme coin as the base token. Click the token box, go back into Launchtool, copy the address of your token, and paste it into the space right below Select the token. Fill in the details. My example is Cooked for the symbol and Cooked Men for the name. Click Add User Token, then select your token again so it shows up. And for the supply, just add 900 million. That's the usual number from the full billion for meme tokens. Use Solana as your quote token for this step. Since you're the first one buying the token, you can safely hit max without worrying about losing funds. Just be sure to subtract 0.2 Sol, which goes toward Radium's liquidity creation fee. It's the one marked in yellow text. For fee tier, choose 2%. When you're done entering the info, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm when your wallet pops up. And there it is. Your meme coin is live and tradable. Check Photon real fast and you'll spot our coin on the list. No problem. Now that's handled, let's go preview the live chart. Head over to dexscreener.com, click on any token there just to get it loaded. Give it a second. Then go to Launch Tool, grab your coin's address, paste it into the DexScreener address bar where the old token was, and press Enter. And there you have it. Our chart is up. You'll see some orders at the bottom already, but they're just bots making early moves. Don't focus on that right now. Let's just be patient and wait for that first buyer. Also, periodically check your Radium portfolio. When you click the standard button, you'll see your current position. Just keep in mind it might take a few minutes to process everything. Guys, I totally forgot to show you this. Let me just scroll down a bit so you can see it clearly. We got our first genuine buy, which an investor placed for $50, and it's equivalent to a clean 0.3 sol added to our pool. As you can see, it came through 14 minutes ago, but I didn't notice it sooner. Wait, what? We just got our second order 40 seconds ago. Someone invested an insane $100. That's almost 0.6 sol, and honestly, we'll just count it like that anyway. What's also amazing is that the chart keeps pumping upward. Also, zero marketing is needed to pull this off. You can literally run it as many times as you want. I told you, this method is wild. Folks, get ready to see this. I'm pretty sure this is our third buy so far. Just look at these high eye-catching numbers shown on the screen, man. The metrics, $126, or in Solana terms, close to 0.73 sol. A very fresh order, placed less than a minute ago. Keep in mind that when you choose highly trending memes, you're much more likely to get orders lightning fast. So the liquidity and market cap numbers keep pumping, currently sitting at $930 for liquidity and $1,200 for market cap. And sadly, too many sells are catching up, which means that I should take the profits after the next buy, or something like that, I guess. The best part about this method, at least for me, is that you don't need any marketing at all. Ha, I got speech interrupted. Fourth buy has just landed. Metrics, $141, which translates to 0.82 sol, almost. I just wanted to finish the point I was trying to make earlier. No marketing is needed, and you can do it multiple times a day, as often as you have time, or as much as you can handle. And tell me, isn't that adoring? Back on the other stats. The coin was paired 29 minutes ago, and the liquidity is at $1,000, and the market cap is at 1.5 thousand. Oh, before I forget, let's check the chart one more time. That's 630% growth since the beginning. All right, that's it. I'm cashing out. Jump onto Radium, connect your wallet, and hit the standard option below. And there is your current position showing right there. Click the minus button like this. Slide it up to full, 100%. You only care about the SOL amount because that's what gets pulled out. So don't get confused. Click Remove Liquidity next. Confirm the transaction. Boom, done. The system will show Remove Liquidity Confirmed, meaning your profit just hit your wallet. Oh man, this part never gets old. Open your Phantom wallet and check it out. I went in with $260 and came out with that same amount of profit, just like that. But before I go, quick disclaimer. I'm not sponsored by or connected to Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium in any way. This video is only meant for educational purposes. It's a crazy method, but who knows how long it'll stay this good. If you're thinking about jumping in, now's the time.